How to fix Facebook scrolling problem. In this video tutorial, I'm going to guide you the easy and quick way to solve the Facebook scrolling issues on your Facebook applications. So if you are also facing this kind of issue on Facebook, then don't worry. We'll learn how to do it in quick way. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video we'll learn how to do it. Without any much delay, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Play Store and then using the search bar at the top, type in Facebook. If you see any updates next to application, you have to tap on it and update your Facebook application. So simply updating your application will remove different kinds of glitches and bugs of applications. Once you have done that, you need to check whether your Facebook scrolling problem has been resolved or not. If not yet, you can easily restart the application. If restarting your application also did not work for you, you can simply restart your own device as well. Before that, make sure you have removed all the glitches or caches of Facebook. For that, head into the settings on your Android device and then you have to select apps. Open App Management, then search for Facebook using the search bar at the top of the screen. Open it, select the Storage Users option and then tap on Clear Cache. This might be simple, but this will solve different kinds of issues regarding Facebook application, and at last you need to pull on your power button. Then this option to restart will appear where you need to tap on the slider at the bottom and then slide towards upward and restart your device. Once you have done that, your issue of Facebook scrolling will be fixed. So that's it for today. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.